The Keychron K8 Pro is an impressive wireless mechanical keyboard that offers a unique and customizable typing experience. With its QMK via firmware, you have the power to remap keys and create macros, making it an ideal choice for gamers and productivity enthusiasts alike. The K8 Pro truly stands out as the world's first out-of-the-box QMK via wireless mechanical keyboard, opening up a world of possibilities for customization. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its hot-swappable Keychron G Pro brown switch. Pre-lubricated and offering a tactile response, this switch provides an impressive 50 million keystroke lifespan. And if you're feeling adventurous, the hot swappable sockets allow you to experiment with different MX-style mechanical switches, giving you the freedom to personalize your typing experience. The K8 Pro's build quality is top-notch, featuring an aluminum frame that ensures durability and a longer lifespan. The OSA Profile double-shot PBT keycaps not only look great, but also offer superior restoration, heat resistance, and fatigue resistance compared to ABS keycaps. Connectivity is a breeze with this keyboard. It supports wireless mode via Bluetooth 5.1 and can seamlessly connect to up to 3 devices simultaneously, including your computer, laptop, tablet, and phone. Additionally, the USB-C wired mode provides a reliable and stable connection, making it suitable for various environments, from home offices to outdoor gaming sessions. The K8 Pro also offers an immersive typing experience with its RGB backlighting. You can customize the backlight effects to match your style and preferences, adding a touch of personality to your setup. Overall, the Keychron K8 Pro is an exceptional mechanical keyboard that combines versatility, durability, and customization. Whether you're a gamer, a professional, or someone who simply appreciates a high-quality typing experience, the K8 Pro is definitely worth considering. With its innovative features and attention to detail, it's a keyboard that will keep you typing comfortably and efficiently for years to come.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.